So first of all, there are 2 meters here. So the green one is basically detecting the radio frequency or the RF. All we are trying to measure from this device, it can measure things like from a mobile phone, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So it's all picked up by this meter. And the yellow meter here, what we have here is actually picking up all those radiation coming from electrical or magnetic source. So typically, if you have a router in a room, now we are looking at you can see here is also showing at the extreme level in the order of thousands, thousands microwatts per meter square. As we move closer to the router itself, if this is the router, you see that this is the level that we are exposing, 75,000. That's the maximum. So the closer you are to it, it's going to be even higher. 1.5 million. This max out. So don't work in a very close proximity with the router. It makes up my meter immediately. So you can actually off it. How to off it? So don't stand it in front of this microwave router. So a good sleeping level for electrical wise, if we turn off when we're not using the switch, turn it off completely. So sometimes when you're turning off here, there's still a electric potential that goes through the cord, and if this is the metal, then you can still propagate. Yes. So it's best if you are not using it, it's best to actually turn it on again. So you can see that once you turn it off, in terms of electric, in terms of the magnetic field, it's also less than 100, for example, nanopascal or something is considered quite a good level.
Max, we went through the different rooms, and as you know, before I met when you came around today, my main concern was the room that the baby will be sleeping in, and of course the room that we sleep in, because to me that's, as you said, we spend most of our time, and if we're going to rejuvenate, recover, they're the rooms that we're going to be doing that most. So starting with the baby room, what was the conclusion, and do you have any suggestions?
The conclusion is, as we can see, once we actually deactivate the wireless router in the living room, and also we deactivate the notebooks, the 2 notebooks there, you can see that the level going to a level of moderate range. So that is quite a good low level. So sometimes it go, even though it's still not in the level of, let's say, less than 10 or below, I'll say that it's a reasonably good level. Of course, the best is that, for young babies, if we can, there are ways that, for example, if we bring like a canopy like this, it's made of special material, we have a metallic element in there. It's able to bring it up and to shield it.
So around the baby's cot, like the mosquito net, basically, that acts as a shield. As you said, it's quite moderate. It's not the lowest, but it's moderate. And just to bring it down even further, you can
use a film fabric like this.
Excellent. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Max.